Hey guys, it's Nicole, and I have an interesting video. You like the shimmy? You like the shimmy? Interesting video for you today. That's going on right now. Instagram makeup community is the most interesting community ever. They do things with heels, they do things with hammers, they do things with things that we should have left back in 2017, but we obviously didn't. They do all those interesting things. So today I actually wanted to try to follow one of the tutorials that I see on Instagram, and it was one of the most interesting tutorials I've ever seen. It was pretty much like a backwards foundation, you know, backwards reverse routine when you do your like daily look. They started with the highlighter, and then they did with the contouring, and then they did the foundation on top. I was so stunned. I was like, okay, that's how it really is? Have I been doing makeup wrong? Because the look after was actually flawless. I was like, okay. I was scared for a second. I was like, this girl about to be looking a little caked up. But I was like, okay, she actually looked good.
Okay, so I'm on my Instagram right now, and I'm just looking at my collection. You see a lot of food, because, you know, I love food. Okay, so the video that we're looking at today is this person that's pretty much doing a regular makeup look, and it was, okay, I was like, okay, she's just doing eyeshadow, she's just gonna do the regular stuff, but then, hold on, you're about to see what's about to happen real quick. Look, guys, look at that. She's doing the highlight and contouring before she does the foundation. I was so stunned. Like, I was like, what? Like, is this something new? Like, and she looked good. Like, look at her. She is glowing. She's looking like, ooh.
So I did my eyebrows and eyeshadow off camera, just a basic orange, burnt orange look, and you know, the basic eyebrow. So, cause today we're gonna be focusing on the face. Like, did you not see the video? Like, she pretty much did contouring, highlighting backwards. I don't know if this has been done and I'm just late with it, but I'm still stunned about it because this is not something you usually do. You usually do your foundation and then your highlight and then your contour. And we're doing the reverse. Reverse! Is that the chocolate slide? Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Reverse. Probably not. Okay, so today we're actually going to try to do this method because it's really interesting. Like, at the end of the video, like, she looked flawless. Like, it just melted in together and it looked like it was her skin. And we're going to try to do it, see if I succeed. Probably going to fail. But right now I'm going to be looking at this mirror right here that's right next to me. And so we're going to try it out. Okay, so it looks like that she put a lighter highlighter than highlight concealer than what she would be, because it's like really paling light. Like, I was like, oh, this is about to be really pretty, and then I was like thrown off. I was like, hold on, what? You doing what? What? You doing what? What? Okay, yeah. So she puts a lighter highlight, so, and a darker contour. Oh, let's do this. Let's do this. I'm so scared. Okay. So she put a lot, like a lot. So I'm gonna be using a lot of this. Like, we're just gonna do the shape that she did, which was a lot of I'm just gonna look at the thing while it's being done. So she kind of went down here I'm just gonna try to shape out my face with it. Alright, I do that. And this is by the Fit Me by Maybelline. I accidentally got this color, so this is kind of worked out for both of us. I was never gonna use this ever again. Oh no, stop! It keeps going. Okay, and then she does it in the middle. Along. And I feel like she used a lighter color, so hopefully this really shows up. And then she did like, okay, this is so weird to me, to be honest. And then she did, I think she did some on the chin area. I'm just gonna boost that. And I usually don't even highlight my chin because I have a big chin already. Like, I call myself the crimson chin when I smile because it's like, it's not cute. Using this black opal true color in the color hazelnut. I think this might be a little too like, whatever. Whatever. Hold on, I forgot I have to do it right here. This is so weird. But not like all the way, just like a few. This is so weird. Okay, and I think I'm gonna blend it out with the concealer brush so it can be really smooth, not just like sitting on it. So I'm just gonna blend out a little bit before I put that. Oh, was I ready for this? What was it? Oh gosh, my face. Like, I know her face was probably feeling quite heavy. Really heavy. Okay. And so she did this. And this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My sister sent me something on Instagram. Oh my gosh, this is so like weird to me. I think she probably put like here. And right here. Here. And on the forehead area. Alright. Do I look good? I better walk out like this. I'm just gonna walk out like this. And okay, so I'm gonna get this little contour thing just to blend it out a little bit. Just a little bit. Not too much, because I want it still like shown. And I think she uses, I don't know what she uses. Yeah, she uses a blade blender to blend to put the foundation. So obviously she used a full cover foundation. She didn't just use some minor foundation, like full coverage. So let's see how this works. So I'm going to be using my usual ordinary foundation in the color 3.1Y. And it's a dark yellow color. Full coverage. Wow. What? What? This might cut down on my highlighting time. Wow. This is really full coverage, obviously. Watch just like... Did that work? Look like peanut butter. What the fuck? I'm scared. I look like melted peanut butter. Okay, so it looks like she did the powder and everything anyways on top. So I'm going to do that with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm kind of disappointed. I was hoping for something good, but I guess not. Well, my face is kind of set. I have to do my contouring, which she does in the video. She doesn't just leave it like this because I look like I don't have a face. My face is literally looks like it's something. It's something. So I'm going to use CoverGirl Queen in the color Ebony Bronze. Q120. I almost didn't have to say that. Lord, help me. These people are phonies, but this glow isn't. Okay, Well, that was a fail. I don't really see anything different with my face. Maybe it was supposed to be like some type of like, oh, natural, don't look like you got makeup on look, but it feels like you got makeup on type of look because I feel the makeup creasing already. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to y'all girls. Have a great night or day or whatever time you watch this. Bye.